Look up at the night sky. For as long as humans have existed, we've gazed upward, searching for meaning in the endless expanse above us. The stars have inspired our myths, guided our journeys, and sparked our deepest questions about existence. For centuries we've wondered, are we alone? This question has echoed through generations, whispered around campfires and written in the pages of ancient texts. It's a mystery that has united humanity in curiosity and hope. Today, August 10, 2025, we stand at the edge of an answer. The dawn of a new era is upon us, one that will redefine our place in the cosmos and reshape our understanding of life itself. The silence of the universe has been broken, not by a spaceship landing on our doorstep, but by a faint, persistent signal captured by our most powerful telescope. This signal, subtle yet unmistakable, has traveled across unimaginable distances to reach us. This is more than a scientific headline, it's a turning point for humanity. It's a moment that will be remembered for generations, a moment when the universe reached out, and we listened. The universe has answered our call. The message may be simple, but its implications are profound. We are no longer just observers, we are participants in a cosmic conversation. The science fiction of yesterday is becoming the scientific fact of today. Stories that once seemed impossible are now unfolding before our eyes, blurring the line between imagination and reality. The next generation will grow up knowing Earth is not the only cradle of life. Their dreams will stretch farther, their questions will be bolder, and their sense of wonder will be limitless. This knowledge will challenge us to think bigger and act with a greater sense of cosmic perspective. It will inspire us to care for our planet and each other, knowing we are part of something much larger than ourselves. The story of this discovery is not just about molecules and light spectra. It's about who we are and what we might become. It's about the courage to explore, the humility to accept our smallness, and the hope that comes from knowing we are not alone. The universe is more interesting than we ever imagined. Its mysteries are deeper, its wonders more breathtaking, and its possibilities more exciting than we dared to dream. Let's begin this journey of understanding together. As we step into this new chapter, let curiosity and unity guide us, and may we embrace the unknown with open minds and hopeful hearts. To grasp this discovery, we must appreciate the instrument that made it possible. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is a marvel of human ingenuity, a time machine designed to see the universe in infrared light. Its massive, gold-plated mirror and 5-layer sun shield allow it to detect faint signals from distant worlds. Webb's 4 missions include Media, detailed diagram of James Webb Space Telescope highlighting gold mirror and sun shield, close-up video of JWST gold-plated mirror and sun shield in orbit, searching for the first light, observing galaxy evolution, studying star and planet formation, and investigating life on exoplanets. It is on this 4th mission that Webb has delivered its most profound discovery. After years of breathtaking images, Webb turned its golden eye to a nearby star, and found something that will change everything. The discovery that would change everything did not come from a distant, unreachable galaxy, nor from the farthest corners of the universe. Instead, it emerged from our own cosmic backyard, a place so close in astronomical terms that it almost feels familiar. Proxima Centauri b, a planet orbiting the closest star to our Sun, sits just 4.2 light-years away, a mere stone's throw on the scale of the cosmos. This rocky exoplanet, nestled within the habitable zone of its cool red dwarf star, has long captured the imagination of astronomers and dreamers alike. Its potential to harbor life has made it a prime target for scientific investigation. On July 15, 2025, a dedicated team led by Dr. Aris Thorne harnessed the power of the James Webb Space Telescope to peer deeper than ever before, analyzing the planet's atmosphere as it passed in front of its star, a rare and precious event known as a transit. By capturing and dissecting the faint starlight that filtered through Proxima Centauri b's atmosphere, the team searched for the subtle chemical fingerprints that might hint at something extraordinary. The signal they found was incredibly faint, like trying to spot a single firefly flickering beside a blazing searchlight, almost lost in the glare. For weeks, the scientists pored over the data, running countless simulations and seeking independent verification from colleagues around the world. Every detail was scrutinized, every anomaly double-checked. Finally, the results were undeniable. The whisper from Proxima Centauri b was not an illusion, nor a trick of the instruments. It was real, and it was persistent. The data revealed not just the presence of an atmosphere, but something far more profound. an atmospheric composition that defied simple geological explanation. Within the spectral signatures, the team detected gases and chemical imbalances that on Earth are only produced by living organisms. The signal pointed unmistakably to the presence of biological processes at work. In that moment, humanity stood on the threshold of a new era. The universe had whispered back, and we were about to learn, for the first time, that we are not alone. What did Webb see in Proxima Centauri B's light? The data showed clear absorption lines, chemical fingerprints of water vapor. But the real breakthrough was the detection of methane, carbon dioxide, and, most strikingly, dimethyl sulfide, DMS. On Earth, DMS is produced almost exclusively by living organisms. Scientists tried to find non-biological explanations, but none fit the data. The concentration of DMS was significant, requiring a planet-wide biological source. The combination of water, a methane/CO2 imbalance, and DMS makes Proxima Centauri b the most compelling candidate for an inhabited world ever discovered. It's as if we've detected the smell of bread in a sealed room. Something alive is at work. This is the strongest evidence for life beyond Earth we've ever seen. The universe just got a lot more interesting. Let's break down this chemical cocktail. Water vapor confirms a key ingredient for life. Methane and carbon dioxide in the detected ratios suggest active biological processes. The real bombshell is dimethyl sulfide, a biosignature gas produced by life on Earth. No known geological process can account for this. The evidence points to a living world, likely teeming with microbial life. This isn't proof of intelligent aliens, but even microbes would be a historic discovery. It means life is not unique to Earth. The universe may be teeming with life, and we're only beginning to find our neighbors. The message from Proxima Centauri b has waited 4.2 years to reach us. To truly grasp the magnitude of this moment in scientific history, we turn to Dr. Eris Thorne, the lead investigator at the heart of the Proxima Centauri b anomaly. Dr. Thorne's career has been defined by a relentless pursuit of answers to some of the universe's most profound questions, and today, he stands at the center of a discovery that could reshape our understanding of life itself. At a packed press conference, Dr. Thorne reflected on the journey that brought his team to this point. For years, biosignatures were a distant goal, something we dreamed of detecting, but never truly expected to find in our cosmic backyard, he said, his voice tinged with both awe and humility. The sense of astonishment in the room was palpable. "We never expected this, especially not so close to home," Dr. Thorne admitted, echoing the disbelief felt by scientists and the public alike. Behind the scenes, his team worked tirelessly, rigorously testing every conceivable alternative explanation for the data. They considered volcanic activity, unusual atmospheric chemistry, and even the possibility of contamination from Earth. Each hypothesis was examined, debated, and ultimately ruled out. None fit the data as precisely as the one possibility that remained. The simplest and most extraordinary explanation emerged: a large, active biosphere thriving on Proxima Centauri b. This was not just a blip in the data, but a consistent signal pointing toward life on a planetary scale. Dr. Thorne was quick to clarify the nature of the discovery. "We're not talking about little green men or science fiction fantasies," he said, addressing the inevitable speculation. "We're talking about chemistry, planet-wide biological metabolism much like Earth's. The patterns we see are signatures of life, but not necessarily intelligent life. It's the collective breath of a living world." The detection of the DMS signal, dimethyl sulfide, suggests something remarkable: the presence of life forms, perhaps akin to marine microorganisms, thriving in a vast, global ocean. "The implications are breathtaking," Dr. Thorne remarked, his words carrying the weight of a discovery that could change humanity's place in the cosmos. He emphasized the importance of caution and integrity. "We must be methodical and transparent as we move forward. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and we owe it to the world to proceed with care." Dr. Thorne underscored that this is not just a scientific milestone but a discovery for all humanity, a moment of profound connection with the cosmos that transcends borders and generations. This finding should inspire a new generation of explorers and remind us to care for our own living world, he said, urging young minds to look up in wonder and to see themselves as part of a much larger story. "The sky," Dr. Thorne concluded, "is not the limit, it's an invitation to explore, to question, and to dream beyond the boundaries of our own planet." The scientific community stands united in awe and responsibility. recognizing that this discovery brings both excitement and a duty to seek the truth with rigor and openness. The journey ahead will define a new era in human history. With this discovery, humanity's story has just expanded, and the next chapter promises to be the most extraordinary yet. This discovery's impact will ripple through every part of society. For science, it's a triumph and a call to action. Astronomers will race to confirm the findings, and new missions will be planned. Politically, the search for life is now a matter of global importance, likely sparking collaboration and a surge in funding. Corporations will see new frontiers for innovation in space technology. Socially and culturally, our philosophies and religions will be challenged and inspired. This could foster global unity and a renaissance in art and thought, but there will be challenges. Fear, denial, and misinformation may arise. How we respond will define us as a species. This is a mirror held up to humanity, an opportunity to decide what kind of galactic neighbors we want to be. The conversation has already begun, everywhere. For millennia, are we alone? Was a philosophical question. Now it's a scientific one, with evidence suggesting the answer is no. This changes our relationship with the cosmos. We're no longer shouting into a void. Our beliefs, religions, and philosophies must adapt to this new reality. The Fermi paradox remains, but now we know simple life may be common even if intelligent life is rare or quiet. The silence of the galaxy is more intriguing than ever. This discovery brings humility. Earth is not the center, but one of many worlds. We are one expression of life in a vast cosmos. This humility is a gift, inspiring wonder and connection. The universe just got bigger, and so did our sense of purpose. We are part of a much grander story. The detection of biosignatures on Proxima Centauri b is not the end, it's the beginning. We now have a tantalizing target to study, and the work ahead is immense. Scientists will dedicate thousands of hours to confirm and expand on these findings. Engineers will begin designing the first interstellar probes. This discovery will fuel a new era of exploration and innovation. The quest to understand our place among the stars is for everyone. We stand united by this incredible knowledge. We have glimpsed a distant shore in the cosmic ocean. The universe has revealed a profound secret and invited us to continue the journey. The story of life on Earth is no longer the only story. The journey has just begun.